7 simple chicken recipes that are super tasty. We spend a lot of time scouring the web for tasty, trendy, and healthy recipes. It's one of the many perks of working at Greatist. In the process, we come across some amazing resources for easy meals that prove cooking healthy doesn't have to be expensive or a giant time suck. And now, we want to make a habit of sharing them with you. 1. Greek chicken gyros with tzatziki. The secret to tender, caramelized chicken loaded with Mediterranean flavors? Yogurt. It helps make this marinade more like a paste so it stays slathered on the chicken when you cook it, unlike many marinades that are thin. 2. Italian marinated grilled chicken with zucchini. Making a marinade that doubles as a dressing is one of my tricks for easy weeknight meals. This easy chicken dish uses the same base mixture for the marinade and for drizzling over the zucchini. This is one of my favorite recipes for grilling because the Italian flavors infuse into the chicken and caramelize beautifully. 3. Thai chicken lettuce cups. This simple chicken recipe is fresh, fragrant, and super fast to make. Serve it up with a bowl of rice for a satisfying yet healthy meal. 4. Sticky honey soy baked chicken. Spend 5 minutes prepping and then stick this easy chicken dish in the oven. The end result? Gloriously sticky, sweet, and savory chicken. And you'll look like an all-star chef. 5. Chicken salad with avocado dressing. Everything about this salad is delicious, but one thing must be called out: super creamy, pourable avocado dressing. You're welcome. 6. Easy Chinese honey sesame chicken. This healthier baked version of sesame chicken doesn't skimp on flavor. You can even add a little more by coating the chicken in a crunchy sesame crust. Those little seeds will stick right to the honey sauce. 7. Satay chicken noodle salad. The satay chicken is insanely tasty, but the peanut sauce, it's out of this world. So good it might make you want to cry. I did. Subscribe.